punta tayo. Hello there guys, good evening. Welcome to Hong Kong. I'm down here with my friend eating right now. This is her food. Me, I'm done eating. Kasi daldal siya ng daldal while I'm eating. Kaya yan, ako tapos na siyang dito. Pumunta ako ng friend ko.
Palayasin mo ito, Bian, ingay nito.
Ikaw na magpalayas, di ko muna ikitin sila sa atin.
Parang wala yung hipon kanina.
Say hi to them. Hi folks.
Bagong labas yung hipon.
Sabihin mo, i-follow nila. Follow me.
Wala yan kanina.
Guys, follow me again. Kasi naubos na yung followers ko.
Hindi naman.
From 56B, naging 54 na lang. Guys, come back please. I need you.
Baka kasi sobra na.
Ano sobra na ang alin? Gagi nga, kailangan sa tumaas, ibumaba siya.
Diba yung iba na gano'n na? Ganyan, follow ka na.
Yes, that's what happened. You see her food. So, she's so tama, guys. I don't want to be friends with this girl. So tama. Tumatawa si ate. Yeah. I know, actually, we're not really good friends. We're enemies. Pag magkaharap kami, we're okay. But, pag hindi siya nakatingin, enemies kami. Anong masasabi mo? Anong masasabi mo sa aking outfit na terno? Matching the color of my shoes and my top. What can you say? Hey!
Hindi, mamaya na kayo.
KJ.
Okay, good.
Okay, good daw. On. Since it's good, that's all for now, guys. See ya! Nakain siya.